and welcome back to another video. Well, check this out. Today will be the day we're gonna start the new install for the 2020 Corvette. Now we're gonna do unboxing. You see I already unboxed this already, so I know what's in it. It is the Street Hunter full body kit. So the process, I'm gonna back my car out. I have my wife's SUV that I'm gonna load everything in. But first I'm gonna do a layout, do a full inventory on what I have. So when I drop it off, I know what's in the box. The installer know what he has, and we can talk numbers. So with further ado, let's back out the Corvette. So backed out. Still clean from this weekend. Alright, so next thing I need to do, I think it's already open the box, so I know what's in here.